So next example is, what is 40% of 50? So the first thing that we're going to do is we can write this in a proportion form. So 40%, 40, then equal sign, then 50 is the total number. So 50, then let's find, because we are looking for the 40% of 50. So 40 to 100, then n is to 50. Okay, then now we can compute this one. So 40 times 50 and 100 times n. So the answer would be 100n is equal to 2,000. Then just divide both sides by 100. N is equal to 20. It means that the 40% of 50 is 20. Another way of answering this one is by getting converting percent to decimal. So we write this one into, so from 40%, just move the decimal point twice, 1, 2, making it 0.40. So to get the 40% of 50, just multiply 50 to 0.40. 0.40 is just the same with 40%. So then let's multiply. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Next step, 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. So when we add up, 0, 0, 0, and 2. Then after that, count the decimal point. 1, 2. So just move 1, 2. Making it the 40% of 50 is 20. So another example, 30% of a number is 15, find the number. So in this case, we can write this as 30 to 100, so that is 30%, then 15, so in the upper part, and n is the number. So just cross multiply 30n 1,500 and divide both sides by 30, and the value of n is 50, meaning to say that the number is 50. So the 30% of 50 is 15. The next question is, what part of 60 is 50? So it means that our base is 60 and the rate is 50. So we'll find the percent. So in writing this one, n is equal to 100. This is for the percent. Then 50. And the whole number, or our base, is 60. Then just do the multiply. And 60 is equal to 5,000. Then after that, divide. N is equal to 83.333. So let's talk about percentage, base, and rate. So when you say base, it is the whole. That is what we call the base. And when you say rate, it is the number with the percent sign. When you say percentage, it is part of the base. Again, the rate is with the percent sign. That's why I put a line here. Then from 0% to 100%. Percentage is a part of the base given the rate. Since the percentage is the whole. For example, this one, the 30% of 100 is 30. So the 30% here is the rate, 100. So this one is the rate, 100 is the base, and 30 is the percentage. I will repeat. The 30% of 100 is 30. 30% is the rate, 100 is the base, and 30 is the percentage. So when we plot here, so the base would be 100, so the whole thing, and the rate is 30%. So up to here, up to this line, this is the 30%. Then 30 is in the percentage. So that's it. So here is the different use of percentage, base, and rate, or the relationship of percentage, base, and rate. So take a look of these questions, and this would be the formula for each question. What is the 40% of 50? So it means that you are looking for the 40% of 50, and this would be the formula. Percentage is equal to base times rate. Note, the base is 50 and the rate is 40%. But you should write 40 in decimal form. So it must be written as 50 times 0.40. So that's how you solve it using this formula. Next, if the 30% of a number is 15, find the number. So in this given formula, or in this given question, what is missing is the base. Okay, so base is equal to percentage divided by rate. So what is the percentage? It is not the number with percent, because the number with percent, that is the rate. So percentage is 15, which is the 30% of the number, and rate is 30%. So again, rate here must be written in decimal form. So 15 divided by 0.30. Next, what percent of 60 is 50? So in this given question, the givens are the percentage, which is 50, and the base is 60. We are looking for the rate of 50 in 60. So rate is equal to P over B. So your answer here must be R and percentage. There are 15 boys and 25 girls in the library. What percent in the library are boys? So in this question, we will use the formula. Rate is equal to percentage divided by base. So first is we'll find the base. So what is the base? 15 boys and 25 girls. So we need to add 15 and 25. So our base now is 40. Then next, what about percentage? Since we are looking for the percent of the boys, then the percentage would be the number of boys. So if we're going to write R is equal to percentage, which is 15, divided by base, which is 40. So now let's solve 15 divided by 40. So 40 divided by 15, what you're going to do is just add 0. Then 150 divided by 40 is 3. Then 3 times 40 is 120. Then subtract. The answer is 30. Then bring down 0. Then 30 divided by 40 . 7 times 40 is 280. Then subtract. Since we still have remainder, add another 0. 200 divided by 40 is 5. 5 times 40 is 200. So subtract, the answer is 0. Since we add zeros, 3 zeros, then 1, 2, 3. So that would be the rate. Rate is equal to 0.375. Or when you're going to write it in percent form, this would be, just move the decimal point twice, 1, 2, so 37.5%. For your activity, answer practice C and D on page 148. Take a photo of your answer, send it via private message, deadline November 12.